Be ready? Start. This is second bail application filed by the applicant under section 439 of Criminal Procedure Code for grant of bail. Stop. First application of the applicant was dismissed on 3rd April 2017 as withdrawn. Stop. The applicant is arrested in connection with crime number 12/2017 registered at Cyber Police Zonal Office, Gwalior, District Gwalior for the offence punishable under section 420 of IPC and section 66 within bracket C of the Information and Technology Act. Stop. As per the prosecution case, complainant Rahul Agarwal made a written complaint alleging therein that some person has hacked his Google account by YouTube channel link. Stop. It is also alleged that after getting password from the Google account, the applicant has transferred the money from the bank account of complainant in his own account. Stop. On receiving the complaint, an inquiry was conducted by the police, and after completion of inquiry, Cyber Police Zonal Office Gwalior has registered a case against the applicant for the offences under section 420 of IPC and section 66 within bracket C of the Information and Technology Act. Para. Learned counsel for the applicant submits that the applicant is an innocent person and he has been falsely implicated in the matter. Stop. There is no documentary evidence available on record to show that the present applicant has hacked the password from the Google account of the complainant and transferred the money from the bank account of complainant in his own account. Stop. The applicant is aged about 19 years and is a student. Stop. He is in custody since 22 March 2017. Stop. He is not further required for interrogation. Stop. He has no previous criminal past and settlement has been arrived at between complainant and applicant. Stop. Now, on the basis of said settlement, an application under section 482 of Criminal Procedure Code has been filed for quashing the FIR and for compounding the offences. Stop. In these circumstances, learned counsel prays for grant of bail to the applicant. Para. Learned public prosecutor for the state opposed the bail application and prayed for its rejection. Stop. Looking to the facts and circumstances of the case and the arguments advanced by learned counsel for the applicant without expressing any opinion on merits of the case, the application is allowed. Stop. It is directed that the applicant, namely Vijay Kumar, be released on bail on his furnishing a personal bond in the sum of rupees 1 lakh only, with two solvent sureties of rupees 50,000 each, to the satisfaction of the trial court for his regular appearance before the trial court, on the condition that he shall remain present before the court concerned during the trial and shall also comply with the conditions enumerated under section 437 within bracket 3 of Criminal Procedure Code, and so also as imposed by the trial court. Stop. This order shall be effective till the end of trial, but in case of bail jump, it shall become ineffective. Stop. A copy of this order be sent for compliance to the court concerned. Stop.